So in this video I'll be trying to do some, I think, videos this one onwards I'll be doing more of like test type of question. So now I have this question here. They're saying consider a circuit and write an expression for V. So they want this V. Okay, cool. So let's try to solve it out. So what else we know that there is current flowing throughout here, and we know that there is no current going in here, and there's no current going in here. That means the current going in here same as current going in here, same as current going in here. So I can write that as I1 should equals to I2 should equals to I3. Okay, and then if that is the case, if there is what else? Okay, this current one, I can write it current one is equal to, first of all, it's worth saying that V1, see this V1 is equals to V plus voltage here, which is equals to V minus voltage here, which is equal to this voltage here. Alright, this is worth saying. Also, V2, this voltage here, is equals to voltage here, which I call it V plus, which is equals to voltage minus. The reason for that is because of something called virtual grounding. I don't know if I can spell it very well, but I think it's something like this. Virtual grounding. I think on the past videos, just go and look it up. We did talk about it while you're solving other problems. So this is worth knowing. So if I'm trying to find a current that goes in here, which is current 1, let me just call it current 1, it's going to equal to, what is voltage here? Voltage here is the same voltage here. V minus, what is voltage here? Is the same voltage as voltage here, because there is nothing going on here, and then it will be V2 all over the resistance this current is passing on the resistor 1. So since there is no current going in this direction and this direction, that means this is actually a loop. So we know that voltage divide or voltage drop as you're going along the loop, and this goes back to 0 according to Kirchhoff, right? So I can say voltage V such in the supply. I'm saying if I'm supplying this V and it go all around like this, it should be I think V is equal to IR, something like that. I remember this. V from ohms, this from ohms, I think. And then the current is this one, current flowing in here, because current 1 and current 2 is just the same loop current or mesh current, whatever they call it. And then we'll have V1 minus V2 all over R1. That is our current. Now we have to multiply it with the voltage. I made a mistake on my ohms law. I remember I used to call it VIR, so I don't know how I have V times VIR. So it's current, I have current and resistance. What is resistance throughout here? Resistance, there will be R2, this is R2, plus R1, this is R1, plus R2 again. So if I have to put it down, it will be V is equals to V1 minus V2 all over R1 close, and here I think there are two R2 to V2 R2 plus R1, and this is, we've answered the question. Write an expression for V, which that's what we did. So now we have our full 5 marks.